Hello everyone, you are on the Backrod channel. Today we will test the top 100 firecrackers against an old canister. Subscribe and let's go. To begin with, we take small firecrackers and see if something happens to the canister. Let's try to inflict damage with such a firecracker. There is already a hole, so now I can try to insert bigger firecrackers. Let's try this tongue. It doesn't fit here either, so we'll blow it up later. Let's try this one. Let's throw such a machine gun belt for many shots. Let's try to make the hole bigger using this method. Look, let's blow up such a shell from a mortar. Oh no, the firecracker is defective. There are still a lot of firecrackers left, so the second part will be released very soon.